Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and here let's tap on biometrics and password. Now let's tap on the fingerprint ID, and here if you do not have your lock screen, your device will ask you to set new one. We can set the PIN or simply change unlock method and choose, for example, pattern or password. So let me pick pattern, let's draw it, redraw it, and click on done. Now we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. We can unlock the device with it, we can set access safe or app lock. Let me pick to unlock device only, and let's tap on add fingerprint. Let's click on OK, and let's put our finger on the sensor. Now we have to do it several times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Now let's enroll our fingerprint in order to add all of the edges. This is of course for better recognition. Okay, now we can rename it or simply tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint added. We can set new one or identify the fingerprint if you have much more fingerprints added. What's more, we can change the fingerprint animation. Simply tap on it and choose the one you like the most. I will stick with this one. Okay, so now let's block our device and let's check if it is working. Now let's put our finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the screen is unblocked, so it means that everything went fine. What's more, after blocking our device, we can use the pattern we just set, simply swipe and draw the pattern to unlock. And as you can see, the phone is also unblocked. So that's all. This is how to add fingerprint to your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.